Hi there and welcome to today's tutorial. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Canva AI generator. So I recently used it and I am mind blown. So the Canva AI generator, it was a more recent addition to the Canva. So it helps you to create like lines of codes that you would necessarily do when you want to create an app or a website. It does this by you just inputting a simple line of text. For instance, create a website for me, or maybe design a calculator for me. So it is very good. So I'm just going to show you how you can use the Canva AI generator to bring your ideas to life. And these ideas can be website, it can be mobile, prototype, it can just be anything, a presentation that you'd want to show your theme. And I think it saves you a lot of time. If you build website and you have to create the ideas and you have the idea in your head and you can just tell it in a simple line of text or in a prompt, this is what I want, and it gives you the idea and you see firsthand before you're able to create it. I think it's very mind-blowing. So I'm going to just move over to my desktop and I'm going to show you how to use it. So to start, you head over to your Canva interface and you go to the dashboard, and so you see where you can create a design. Up the top you'll see your design template and Canva AI. So in clicking Canva AI, you get a drop-down menu, and the drop-down menu has design for me, create an image, draft a doc, code for me, and create a video clip. So for this, I am going to use the code for me. Alright, so I click on that, and just before we move on, it's very important for me to know that you have to be using a Canva Pro account or an AI enabled version, as the code generator is usually just available to pro users. So you are on your dashboard and you can see you have a couple of examples of things you could do. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to tell it to create a website for creatives in Galway for me, and it's just going to be a simple line of text. So this is it. In Galway. So create a website for creatives in Galway. A resource website. So let me just add resource to it for creative in Galway, and you hit the submit button and you wait for a couple or more minutes till your code has finished, and then it brings the feedback. So I'm just going to submit this and we wait. So also depending on how fast your mobile data or your Wi-Fi is, this might take a while. So yeah, we're just gonna wait. So we are back and it has created the version, and you see you have different versions, so you can reiterate if you don't like it, and then you can add more to it. And the other thing I was going to mention is how you can customize this design. So for instance, you can actually edit. So imagine this is workshops and training, yeah, and maybe you want to add something. You could use it in a design. You could see it's so it's so responsive, so it shows you like literally everything. It picked the colors and everything because I had not given it a very exhaustive code. So, and I think this for a start is very good. So in order to change the design, you can actually edit. You could change it here. You could just say, oh, I want this added, I want music, or I want art, I want films. You could do more, and this is very good. This is so good. I am blown away. I am. Canva just keeps blowing my mind, and I think that's why I really love the platform. And so what I would do here is I can create a doc of it, or I could use it straight in a design. So using a design, you could take it straight to a website. Canva also gives you an opportunity to buy a website where you could have this design automatically. It's a website online. You could also use it in the presentation. For instance, if you are presenting to a theme about what your vision is, you could do that. You could add it to a doc, you could do it as a whiteboard, and when you do that, you're able to make changes, you're able to customize, you're able to tweak and add everything, add your pictures, add stock images if that's what you want, and it gives you like a different your own design from what it has created originally. And it even went so forward to even making a logo for me, which I find so mind-blowing. It's so good. It's very good. So let me take it, for instance, to put it on a document, and or maybe a whiteboard. A whiteboard would be better for me. I'm just going to do that. So I had already taken it to a whiteboard and then using design. So I'm just going to open another Canva page, and then you would see my design right there. Okay, no, it hasn't come, so I'll try that again. Okay, it's for some reason it's being blocked. So can I try it as a presentation? So it says blocked again. Okay, so I don't know what's happening, but it's just showing me pop-up window blocked. I don't know why, but also I think I can also copy. I can highlight everything, copy it to a page, but it won't be as responsive as this, obviously. Let me see if I would take it to a website, if it works. No, it's also blocked. So it's not giving me the opportunity to do that, but that's, by the way, I think I've shown you could pick this idea and create your website, and also share to your team, add more designs to it, and I think it's very good. So I was going to show you how to export it, but for some reason I'm having an issue with the pop-up on my system, and I'm just going to check that, and if I get an answer to it, I am going to drop it in the comment section. And there you have it, using the Canva AI generator to create interactive websites, to create presentations, etc. This takes the guesswork out of design and actually gives you a template to begin with. So it helps you to bring out your ideas, and you can start from there to actually creating something. And I do hope you give it a try and let me know in the comment section, or if you have, let me know. And if you have any comments or questions, please do drop them, and I'll do well to get back to them. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.